Welcome to Nursing 791, and it is truly my pleasure to be able to share this course with you as well as the summer with you. So I look forward to watching your project progress over the next semester, and we have gone through quite a bit of your project already in Nursing 790, so we're going to build upon what we've already done in 791. And we're going to expand upon that and go in the next steps of your project. So the first step in this course is to solidify chapter number 1 and put those final tweaks to your chapter number 1 to solidify it. And basically, we're looking at that literature and designing that evidence-based project based on your literature review. So we need to really have a solid chapter number 1 so that we can design your chapter number 2 or your methodology, what you're actually going to do as far as the evidence, and that is based on your chapter number 1. So with that being said, we do need to progress through this course, and I know each and every one of you are at different levels or different places in your project, and I will work with you one-on-one with you and your project to actually assist you wherever you happen to be right now to move forward. And just let me know if you have any questions or concerns. With this course, we will have some overarching deadlines, but your trajectory may be very different than these deadlines, but we do need to be very systematic with the deadlines as far as the endpoint deadlines. Say, for instance, we need to have chapter 1 solidified by June the 16th in order to get through the next steps of your project. So please take note of these dates, and then we'll be talking and we'll discuss what dates are most appropriate for you. But just know that the endpoints are the endpoints in that's listed here on our welcome message. So we are going to complete the timeline by June the 5th, final chapter 1 by June the 16th, chapter 2, we're going to solidify that by July the 14th, and then we're going to do the presentation, must be completed by July the 21st. And again, IRB approval needs to be completed by July the 21st, as well as your final project scope and design approval form. So we will be starting well ahead of the July 21st deadline for IRB approval, and we'll need to set your presentations up prior to July the 21st, but just know that that's the last date to do those aspects of this course. So if you have any questions or concerns, we will be talking, and I want you to make it, reach out to me and let me know what days work for you, and we will talk about setting up your timeline by June the 5th. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you once again. Take care now.